Hi everyone, Michael from MKRO here, and today I am super excited to finally announce the culmination of our team's development for the Persona series with not just one, but two fully custom keyboards for both Persona 3 Reload and Persona 5 Royal. If you're new to our company, our team has been developing a full custom spread of keycaps and desk mats for both games, starting off with full keycap sets for mechanical keyboard fans, a series of novelty kits, and of course desk mats of all your favorite characters from both games. We also wanted to create a full out-of-the-box experience for people who are less familiar with mechanical keyboards and wanted a full kit to deck out their desks and play their favorite games. So I hope you enjoyed this announcement, and please let us know in the comments below, are you picking up Persona 5, 3, or both? Let us know in the comments, and we can't wait to get these onto your desks.